Today we have a couple of things to do for Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. The first thing we're going to work on is continuing our grammar mini lessons. We will be working on Grammar 2, and you can find this under the grammar topic. And then after you're comfortable with Grammar Lesson 2, you will do the Google form. So let's take a look at the grammar. So go to my classwork tab, scroll down to the purple topic called Grammar, and you're going to open up the document listed underneath Grammar Lessons and Exercises. Scroll down to Grammar Lesson 2 for textual evidence. You will be working on incorporating an author's text into your own writing this year. You need to properly introduce and cite this text to give credit to where this work came from. So here are some rules. First of all, the author doesn't talk to us. So please don't write the author says or the author states. Authors write. So you will introduce your textual evidence with the author writes, comma. You would use this introductory phrase if you were including narration. If you are using dialogue from the text as your textual evidence, give the character's name, such as William says, comma. Let's talk about capitalization. When you use the word author, you're not going to capitalize the word author. You're going to use a lowercase a for author. Only capitalize the author's proper name, such as John Steinbeck, not the word author. So you would capitalize the letter J and the letter S. You can use the author's last name in place of the phrase the author. So you could have Steinbeck writes, comma, or Hinton writes, comma. Notice that you use the author's last name, not first name. The author is not a personal friend of yours. In summary, strong textual evidence should include the author writes or the character says. Use a present tense introduction since literature is alive. Use a comma before the quotation marks and after the introductory phrase. Put the page number in parentheses. And lastly, the punctuation, such as your period, goes at the very end of everything. Let's look at a couple of examples. Abigail says, comma, quote, "You are my best friend, Mary," end quote. This came from page 18, so you just put the number 18 in parentheses with a period at the end. Now let's use a piece of narration. No one in the text was saying this. This is something that the author is writing so that we can envision what was going on. The author writes, comma, quotation mark, "Mary saved a seat for Abigail," end quotation mark. That came from page 17, so we're going to put the number 17 in parentheses with a period at the end. Now you're going to complete the Grammar 2 check on the Google form. So you go back to your grammar section, and you will take this Grammar 2 check and submit that.